Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Brightflag, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Brightflag, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Ensure your password is strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling out the form, review if you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Submit your registration by clicking the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Brightflag. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Brightflag website. Click on the Login button on the home page. Enter your registered email address and password. After logging in, you will be directed to the Brightflag dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. To add your first matter, look for the Create Matter button. Fill in the necessary details about the legal matter you need to manage. Once you have entered the information, click Save to create the matter. To connect with your team, navigate to the Team section in the sidebar. Invite team members by entering their email addresses and assigning roles. Once invited, team members will receive an email to join your Brightflag account. Encourage them to complete their setup and log in. For managing invoices, go to the Invoices tab on the dashboard. You can upload or link invoices directly from this section. To generate reports, select the Reports feature in the menu. Choose the type of report you need and set the relevant filters. Review the generated report and export it if necessary. For support and assistance, click on the Help icon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.